Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Limpier YouTube channel. Moving day blues got you down? Boxes everywhere, dust bunnies multiplying, and the thought of cleaning feels like climbing Mount Everest. Relax, weary warriors of relocation. There's a secret weapon in your arsenal: expert move and cleaning services. Imagine this: walking into your new place, not with dread, but with a sigh of relief. No scrubbing, no stress, just a fresh, clean canvas for your life. But Move and Cleaning Services offer more than just sparkling surfaces. They offer peace of mind, save time, and a stress-free start to your new chapter. Think about it: ditch cleaning chore, focus on unpacking and settling in, leaving the dirty work to the professionals. Deep clean, not surface shine. Go beyond basic cleaning with thorough dusting, scrubbing, and sanitizing for a truly healthy start. Stress-free arrival: walk into a sparkling haven ready for your furniture and personal touches. More time with loved ones: spend quality time unpacking and bonding instead of scrubbing floors. Breathe easy: eliminate hidden allergens and irritants for a healthy environment. Protect your new home: professional cleaning extends the life of your surfaces, saving you money in the long run. Peace of mind: knowing your home is spotless allows you to relax and enjoy the new space. Leave the past behind, start fresh with a clean slate, free of lingering grime from previous tenants. Impress your landlord: show them you care for the space with a professional cleaning. Boost your mood and productivity: a clean environment promotes better sleep, focus, and overall well-being. Now, finding the right move and cleaning service can feel like searching for a unicorn. But with Limpier, it's easy. Here's we want customized cleaning plans. We tailor our services to your specific needs and budget. 2. Eco-friendly solutions, safe for your family and the environment. 3. Experienced and insured technicians, trustworthy professionals dedicated to quality service. For flexible scheduling, we work around your move and date and time frame. 5. Open communication, clear expectations and updates throughout the process. Lastly, 100% satisfaction guarantee. We stand behind our work and ensure your complete happiness. Don't let the cleaning burden weigh you down. Contact Limpier Cleaning Services today for a free consultation and quote. Let us handle the dirty work and help you make your move a stress-free, joyful experience. Remember, a move and cleaning service is an investment in your well-being and the exciting new chapter you're starting. And before you go, hit that subscribe button and join our community of happy customers who started their new chapter stress-free. Until next time, happy moving.